of teddy bears. Any of you got a teddy bear? Well, teddy bears love a picnic treat. They all bring things they like to eat. Their mummies give them things to munch. This won't be a quiet lunch. Gary, was that you?
It wasn't me.
It was very rude.
It wasn't me.
Oh, if it wasn't you, Gary, I know who it was. We have boys and girls to help us with this song, so please welcome our brilliant, belching, burping